Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about the ongoing Cadillac converter thefts happening in Southern California. Lately, I have noticed on my local Nextdoor and Ring apps, a lot of my neighbors have been experiencing thefts with their Cadillac converters. It's pretty scary how common this is becoming. I started looking up any way to protect our precious Yoshi. It turns out there is a way, thanks to Miller Cat Shield. Miller Cat has aluminum and stainless steel cat shields for all generations of Prius. I called up my local muffler shop, Plaza Mufflers, and they were able to complete the install in under 15 minutes. At Plaza Mufflers, they have an extensive knowledge in installing the Miller Cat shields on various types of Priuses. I knew I was in good hands with Plaza Mufflers. Here's a quick video of the work involved to protect your Prius with the Miller Cat Shield. Miller Cat not only has cat shields for the Toyota Prius, they also have shields for the Honda Element and the Lexus CT200H. Follow them on social media for the latest from Miller Cat. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.